All right, I'm meteorologist Vin Crosby from the Weather Show at Vin Crosby here on YouTube, and you know where I'm at, over here by Scentsy. Of course, I'm in the Tunnel of Lights. Psychedelic. It's pretty awesome. Great Christmas lights, great crowds here tonight. Going to talk about some weather. You know, there's cold air in place, and it's obviously cold out here, but will it be cold enough to support snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning? The answer right now is no with the model. So we'll start off with a brief bout of snow, I think. Maybe a mix of some sleet, but then it's going over to rain in the Treasure Valley. Cold rain is the worst. Up in the higher elevations, we'll see a little bit of snow coming on through with this one, but I think overall, rain in the valley. There is a chance, as this system kind of slides down to the south very slowly, and as you can see with the computer forecast model, it is going to be very thin in nature, stretched out, and the rain showers will be few and far between, but I do think there will be enough, of course, to wet the roadways, and in some sections, it could be starting off as snow and sleet and then going over to rain. It'll be mostly rain, though, down in the Treasure Valley. Back up in the higher elevation, snow levels are going to get up there pretty high with this one, 5,000 feet and higher. Some areas will get a little bit of snow coming on through for sure. Maybe 1, 2, 3 inches with the initial bout. But I think this system's going to be unique in the sense that that first wave will kind of dissipate, and then there'll be a second wave that really inundates the west central mountains back over towards the Boise Mountains, and then getting in towards the central mountains of Idaho back over towards Stanley, and that's when the snowfall will really accumulate. We'll get on the order in 6-hour periods, 2 to 3 inches of snow. Some areas will get up near 6 inches of snow. So you see a lot of yellows and reds with our snow forecast map here coming on through the region, and that trend will continue. Down in the Treasure Valley, mostly rain, and then you can see up in the higher elevations, Bogus Basin getting some good snows as well. 2, 3, 4 inches of snow, some fresh snows coming on through. This overall system will have a couple of waves to it, and we will see the snow increase going throughout Thursday and Thursday night before it tapers off in the mountains. Down in the Treasure Valley, not so much. The cold air will move on in, and I think down across southern areas of Idaho, extreme south, down around the Idaho-Oregon border, the Owahis, that's where we'll start to see some snow. But overall, looks like rain, maybe a mix or change of snow before it ends, but very far between rain and snow shower activity in the Treasure Valley, and again, mostly rain. So that's the way this one is shaping up. I love being out here in the Christmas spirit, and we're having some fun on the Weather Show at Vin Crosby. I'll just say I've got some very interesting people that I've interviewed here tonight, and we're going to post a video of them in the Christmas spirit as well coming up here in the next few days, so be on the lookout for that. But I wanted to give you an update on the weather live out here tonight, or not live to tape, out here tonight from Scentsy. I've always wanted to come in this thing. It's pretty awesome.